This is a special collection of 10 easy step-by-step hairstyles. This is hairstyle number 7. Let's have a look at how I created it. Let's start with a very soft tong in the hair and pull all of the hair up into a high ponytail. Pull at the front to create whatever softness you want at the very front, just like that. Now I'm going to use a Patrick Cameron Halo hair pad. Look at this, there's the halo. Put it in. Now I'm going to attach the halo on either side, just a hair grip on either side. I will later on come back and pin into that more just to make sure it's secure, but that's what I need for the moment. Now what I'm going to do is divide the ponytail into 2 even sections. Then I'm going to just mess up the back area, and now I'm going to divide the back area into 2 and put a little bit of back combing on one side and a little bit of back combing on the other. Open up the back combing and start placing it over top of the hair pad. We're going to cover half of the hair pad, just really sort of bringing all those waves out. The top area, we're going to take the top, brush it. Now, here we go. I'm going to pull this around over, and I'm going to pull the tails back under, there we go, and pull the tails back out and pull that out like this. Now don't worry, you saw the hair grip on the side come out a little bit. That doesn't matter because I'm going to go back and put more hair grips there to hold it. Look at that. Now open up all the hair that you've wrapped around. Look at there, all the hair that you've wrapped around, and create that little bouffant on the top. Now with the rest of the hair that's come back out, just start to place that wherever you want to give you that lovely cascade. I love this look. It's so much fun. And using the Patrick Cameron Halo just makes it really, really easy. Look at that for a little bouffant down the hairstyle.